Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this box of heat shrink wrap. Wait, heat shrink butt connectors. So we have the 26 to 22, 22, 18, 16, 14, 12 to 10. It's 50, 60, 100, 160, 30. All right, let's open it up. It's good to repair wires. A couple instructions here on how to use it, and then here's all the different ones. So you crimp it in, and then you heat it up, and it'll go around the cable that you're trying to fix. And that is it. Everything's inside this case. Nice and packed. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.